She already knows what's going down. There you go. You down that whole thing, oh my goodness. Oh my, this is the bin we're gonna be putting them in. Oh, we also got an aerator. This is gonna keep them alive. I think the batteries are dead. Oh, oh, oh. That is one beautiful pleco. Oh, oh, he's quick. Yeah. Changing my username on you. Oh, one scoop. Look at all those fish. What is going on, Crows? Welcome back to another video. This right here is the 1,000-gallon pond. If you watch my channel pretty often, you know exactly what this is. We built the entire thing from scratch. Have to put those supports right there because literally these are wood panels, and then we just, you know, filled it with water. We actually had to do a lot more work than that. You can watch the video, it's crazy. Inside here I have, you know, red tails, hybrid, a rib saw catfish, but these red tails ain't no ordinary red tails. These are short body red tails. They're super cool. They're just like scrunched up. Awesome catfish, but I want to get more. I've been talking about getting some mid-water column or like fish that swim at the surface, and I have a couple fish in mind, but they're at the farmhouse. So this pond right here today is about to have some new fish, but we got to go to the farm to do that. So we're gonna feed the animals, get new fish from there. What do you think I'm about to pick up from the farm? We gotta catch it out of the pond too, which is gonna be very, very hard. But yeah, this pond is gonna have some new fish in it. Fish room looks good, by the way. Look, everything looks amazing. We're heading to the farm right now. We're loading up on water, Cameron. We got a whole working squad for us.
Thank you.
Oh, it's spilling.
Oh, be careful.
We have filled this entire thing with dog bowls.
Thank you. It's been about an hour and a half now. Still going.
That is what we're gonna be putting the fish in. But guys, we're at the farm. I can't wait to feed my animals today. Hello guys, what are you doing, Bubba? Hey Bubba, what's going on, buddy? You are just the cutest of cute. Hi. Hey. Gosh, you are getting so big, Duke. And there's Mama, of course, Lulu. Hi, Lulu. Hey, I got a present for you. We just got back from breakfast, so I have some pancakes for Lulu. I always give her a little bit of treats here and there, like extra breakfast and stuff like that. She already knows what's going down. There you go. You down that whole thing, oh my goodness. I'm gonna break this up and throw it out for everyone else. That's a French toast. Bubba, come here, Bubba. This is Pops. Here you go, Daddy-o. Eat that up. All right, it's gone, just like that.
Bro, my food, where's it? Look at all those chickens.
They're ducks.
It's such a fun time to feed, man. We have a full audience today. It's great. Kevin, how's life out there, bud? You living? And Gary's out there too?
Those are terrible names.
Dude.
Kevin's the black one with red all around his face.
How'd you know?
Because I watched videos.
Oh, we got the young Cuffaros out here. Suzanne, I'll let you get a couple first bites. I know how you are. Here you go, Suzanne. Good to see you doing so good. Good to see you doing so good, bud.
Why does Suzanne have a unicorn horn?
Look how big they're getting, dude. It's actually crazy. Cameron, do you remember how small they were?
I remember.
Why do you laugh so much? That's my question.
I love how ruthless kids are, dude. Did you just hear her?
What'd she say?
Why do you laugh so much?
I don't know.
It's something when you're older and you kind of hold in, you don't say that to someone. Cameron, why the heck you laugh so much, dude?
I don't know, man. I should change myself.
You should change yourself. It's annoying. Such great animals, man. I love pigs. Did you know that?
I wish I had a pig.
I have 26. There we go. Oh, wow. Boots is
Be careful.
crazy. Oh my!
Oh.
Oscar, he ain't even eating what you're eating. That was not cool. Lady May, mango.
Where's Lady May?
Right here.
Holy, she got bigger.
Yeah, they just don't stop growing, man. If anyone thinks mini pigs are a real thing, let me just forewarn you, I own 26 mini pigs. There's no such thing. It's actually called a potbelly pig. Now, if you do keep them on a strict diet, they'll stay smaller. And by small, I mean like, you know, bigger Shih Tzu size. Otherwise, they're gonna turn into mango right here. Who's not the smallest. Dude, Gary! Hey, buddy! Now that all the animals have been fed, we have our net, our handy dandy net. I just bought this thing and it's came in handy multiple times already. It's gonna help us catch the fish that we want. This is the bin we're gonna be putting them in. We got a lid for it. Oh, we also got an aerator. This is gonna keep them alive. I think the batteries are dead. That wouldn't work. Yeah, batteries are dead, boys and girls. Back in the day, I used to fix these at work. People would bring in their broken aerators and I'd fix them. Good old bait and tackle days before YouTube. Like this. Oh, she's already purring. So it provides oxygen for the fish while it's in a container with no filtration. I think I want to get an Oscar.
An Oscar?
Yeah. I got a clip the other day feeding them when the water wasn't stirred up, because once they spook, it stirs all the junk on the bottom up. But I'll play that clip right now so you can see. Check all the fish out before I stir the water in here by feeding. Now the second I do this, sheesh. That's nuts. Look at the hybrid. Mall with the Cara. That red tail is so big. I don't even think the camera does it justice. Oh my gosh, he's fast. Got him. Not fast enough. Wow, wow, he got big. Now, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you remember when I bought this thing and it was literally like 4 inches long? It's no longer 4 inches. Dude, how cool is that camera?
Wow.
It's bright orange, look at that. That is one beautiful pleco. Typically, they're just this brown, boring color. He almost got back in. Let's put him in. This would be a really nice fish to have, and I plan on bringing that one to my parents later on, because it would look really, really good in the ponds back there. Very visible fish from above. One fish down, holy water. I think we should do an Oscar.
Yeah, me too.
I see the one I want, too. Got one.
Whoa, watch
That's
out.
a good fish, too. Now, this mesh in the net is actually like a coated plastic. It will not remove the slime coat from the fish, but it's actually meant to have on a boat, so when you catch the fish, you're not removing its slime coat and then releasing it back in the water. So it'll actually keep the fish alive, no harm done to the fish. The way to go, man. That's why they're more expensive nets. Right in, ready? Just like that. Boom. Right in. Oh, oh, he's quick. Yeah! That's why they call me Fish Catcher 101. Changing my username on you.
Oh,
A little orange on that fish. I mean, would you just look at that? Would you just look at it? There we go. Thank you, net. Load this up with a little bit more water, and we're heading out of here. All of our fish in the tub in the back of the truck. That's the most efficient way to transport fish. You can go buy a $150 cooler, or you can just go buy a $20 bin from Walmart and buy a ratchet strap that will keep it from warping. We are back to the fish room, 1,000-gallon pond. It's time to get our fish into the pond. I gotta do this alone now. So I'm going to the truck, I'll film on the GoPro and then bring them back, and we're gonna get these fish into the 1,000-gallon pond. Set you up here. Oh, we're recording. Cool, all right, let's go. Let's do this, pop all these off. Look at those freaking fish, man. All in one scoop. Oh yeah, we can. We got them all. Look at all those fish. All of them, it's like a big pile of yellowness. Look at this coloration right here. I mean, we're finally gonna have some bigger fish so you can see these Oscars are gonna be the ones that are swimming around on the surface. I am super excited, and as simple as this, in all the fish, if they want to go in. At least one went in. One went in. I'll just flick you out. There you go. Wow. Check that out. The Oscars look great. Plenty of place to swim. That right there, folks, was incredible. This net is just such a good investment. A very easy fish transfer right there. Took fish from the 4,000-gallon at the farm and brought them here to the fish house 1,000-gallon pond. Look at that. Let me tell you, they're gonna get comfortable, start coming up to the surface, kind of like our flower horn here. As you can see, he's right here, waiting for me to feed him. Boom, boom. But they're gonna be just like that. They're gonna be at the surface. Y'all know how the Oscars work. These were my prettiest ones though. These two have the prettiest colors. Just beautiful, beautiful fish. I kind of want to look up a little bit more about Oscars, some cool facts, and tell you guys. The Oscar species is a fish from the cichlid family known under a variety of common names, including tiger Oscar, velvet cichlid, these are all different names for an Oscar, I never knew that, and a marbled cichlid. In tropical South America, where the species naturally resides, a Solitis, too big of a word, specimens are often found for sale as food fish in local markets. So an Oscar in South America is actually found at food markets, like fish markets, where you could buy and eat the fish. They just found the hole, so now they're gonna hide until they're comfortable. They just found that little hole that every fish is in. And the pleco is on the back side of that piece of wood. Thank gosh I have wood too, because a big thing for a pleco to have in its natural habitat is wood. They like to eat wood, suck on the wood. Wood is good to have for plecos. Plecosimus. An Oscar's lifespan is about 10 to 20 years. That's as old as I am, 20. Minimum tank size, 55 gallons. This is 1,000 gallons. My favorite Oscar of all time is the lemon Oscar. It's a super cool Oscar. I was just looking up lemon Oscars. I want to get one of those eventually. Maybe one day someone will have one for me to rescue. I just had Tommy come and actually fill the pond up with some RO water. My pH in my tap water here at this house is super high. So I don't want to put the tap water in here to dechlorinate it because the pH will spike and fish will die. That's not good. So we don't use our tap water. We actually have to bring truckfuls of water, truckloads of water to fill this 1,000-gallon pond. It's not easy. Everything in this fish room, everything here is refilled with RO water. No tap water used. So all those buckets are constantly redone every single month. Honestly, like every week. And yes, this one has to have a truck come in and actually fill it with a big pipe. We got new fish though for the 1,000-gallon pond. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, but I want to wait a couple hours, maybe even until tomorrow, to see how comfortable these fish really get. We are back. It's actually it's 2 days later. They were just at the surface and I scared them down. The fish look good. It's gonna take them, again, a little bit longer than a couple days to start coming up and eating off the surface. The more time I spend in here, the better as well. Like for the turtle pond, they took the turtles forever not to move when I walked up. Now they don't move when I walk up. Look, I can go like right here. They know I'm not gonna do anything. Look at this pond though. Everything is so fired up, doing so well. Hey little guy, what's going on, buddy? Another albino right here. Hey buddy. Indian spotteds he's literally running in place down there. I give them 2 different kinds of pellets, so I switch up their diet every once in a while. And then the fish, of course, get some flakes. Look at all the fish. Eating away. You can see him chowing on a little sinker. That's what those guys eat too. Still 100% my favorite project that we've ever done in the fish room is this. If you've been watching for a long time, what is your favorite project that I have ever done on this channel? Comment that down below. I really am curious to see what the Cuffaros, what y'all think the coolest project we've ever done is. There's a lot of them. It could be from any time on the channel. You're so active now, you know that? Which is good. It means you're healthy. Whoa! And you, mister, are all active and moving as well. Right, bud? My camera just died, so I'm gonna end it here on the phone. One day all these fish will come out of this concrete block. I'm actually tempted on removing that concrete block because then it'll force everything to swim around. 1,000-gallon pond though, looks absolutely amazing. The water is crystal clear. We're gonna get more for this as well, don't worry. More fish are coming, yes, 100%. Subscribe if you are new, smash that like button, 20,000 likes, and I'm gonna crank out another banger for you. I hope everyone had a happy Halloween. Listen, I know it may be the wrong fruit, it is Halloween, but I got watermelon to feed the pigs to close off today's video, so watch this. That is their favorite treat right there, of all time. I need this one. You got some good chunks over there, Blue. Hey, Bubba, how you doing? Even Suzanne's just downed a piece of watermelon. You like watermelon too, huh? Huh, Suzanne? Oh! Oh! Hey! Oh! Suzanne's getting aggressive. Oh, there's watermelon over my lens. I'm gonna give watermelon to all the pigs. The goats don't really like it. I don't know why, but all the pigs, they already got theirs over there. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!